Okay guys, let's talk about suspension and lift kit on my truck. This is a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 TrailBoss. This one here is lifted 6.5 inches from BDS, and I also have 38 inches tire from Nitto. I'm gonna be talking about the suspension that I have on the truck because I have a lot of questions about the suspension. Okay, we throw BDS lift kit here on the truck. You can see right there the cross member. This one is a 6.5 inches lift kit. There also we add some BDS heavy duty upper control arms, and we had the Fox suspension. We choose Fox because it's an awesome it's a lot of muddy here. We choose Fox because we love Fox. We've been using Fox in our previous build, also my side-by-side, and you get a really smooth riding with those Fox suspension from Fox shocks from BDS. When you see the reservoir right here, it's because you're gonna be using a lot of the shocks, because some people, they always say, why you don't have the reservoir? You're supposed to have that because it's Fox, because it's the best one. No, when I in Overland Expo West, I asked one of the guys the difference betweens because I was worried about the suspension that I picked for my truck, and they explained me, probably you guys know more than me, I'm not a suspension specialist, I'm a camping specialist, an overlanding specialist that I can talk about products. But on the suspension, they told me this ones here, they are 2.0 from Fox. They are already thicker. They are already ready to handle the truck. I already using the truck and everything, going in the trails and everything. It's awesome. The only difference between this ones and the one with the reservoir is because you're gonna have extra oil when you are using the suspension a lot, and you need to cool down those shocks because you're bumping. Well, when you need that, that's when you use the reservoir. We might gonna be upgrading to those, but just gonna give you a heads up that you can use this ones on your heavy duty truck with no issues at all. Okay, it's fully loaded, my truck doesn't drop, it's still level and everything. I know it is a 2500 HD truck, that means it's gonna handle more the weight on the back, but just gonna let you know that those Fox suspensions are amazing. Let's coming now to the BDS. I have the upper control arm from BDS because they're beefy. They're gonna have all the joints, the rubbers and everything, all the parts. It's gonna be heavy duty for those trails when you add a lot of weight on the truck. I don't want to have a weak point on my suspension. We have everything, skid plates and everything is from BDS. The truck look awesome, that you can see here how big it is. I mean, I literally, it's like a, oh my God, look like a two-story house, but I love it. I love how the truck look. I mean, it's aggressive, it's powerful. I mean, when you are in the front of this truck, you will love it. You can be a Jeep owner, you can be a Toyota lover. You will love the truck when you see it. Sorry, I'm happy. Yes, I'm proud what I have, what I did, what all the companies that I work with. It's awesome. This sticker that you see here is not just companies and brand companies, as companies that support our truck, our channel. My name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4, and this is my truck. Let's keep going here. This is Nitto's Trail Grappler. I love it. I also have those on my trailer over there as well. They're awesome tires. They have a lot of grip. This one, aggressive look. This one here are 38, 13 and a half, 17. I didn't have to do any customization of the truck. I don't have to chop, trim, remove, nothing. I just remove the mud flapper here on the corner because I don't like how they look, but doesn't touch at all. And I think so I'm gonna be doing 40s after this. I have a lot of space here to get those 40s. But I just was like, I want to save gas in my truck. I don't want to have too much big tire. I don't want to lose power. Boom. My friends at Service Custom Off-Road was the one they built this truck. They take the time, one day only, to install everything to kick the truck. If you follow me for a while, you will see, I mean, not for a while, I just did this truck. It's 2025 truck. It's just brand new. Okay, my friend Pastor, he's from Service Custom Off-Road. I'm gonna leave his information below this video, because if you are in Florida or maybe Georgia, just take the chance and drive all the way here, come down here to Service Custom Off-Road. He's an awesome guy. He can do everything on his shop. He installed the suspension on my truck, tires, wheels, balance the tire, align the tire. It's awesome. He's a good guy. I fully recommend that guy on my videos, because when somebody asks me about how you can have this type of truck because you don't know anything about, you only want a huge truck, you want to go camping and everything, just call him. Call him and he will guide you for everything. Okay, let's keep talking here. We already talked about the tires, and we have here method wheels. Why we pick, oh my God, I love this. Every time when I see it, it's that topple design on my wheels. Love it. All right, this one's are method wheels. Why we choose method wheel? Because the load rate of the wheel is bigger or higher than a regular ones. You know, when you got a different brands, but you also have a heavy duty truck and you're gonna have a fully loaded truck, you're gonna increase the weight on the truck. That means you need a nice and a good performance wheels. That's why we choose method wheels. And if you are in the market, you are on the overland community, you're gonna be hitting trails, you're gonna be adding more weight on your truck, or just you like the look. Oh, they have a lot of options, man. Just go to method.com and you will see a lot of options for method wheels. It's been on the market for years. It's been doing Baja racing, a lot of off-road builds, a lot of competitions. Those method wheels for side-by-side, for trucks, they're amazing. But the main reason that why I choose method wheels is because, like I say, is the load rate on the wheel. When you're gonna pick a wheel, make sure you pick the right load weight, the capacity that the wheel can handle, and that way you're not gonna be broken your wheels. I don't wanna talk bad about all the wheels companies. I just wanna say, learn, learn about the wheel, get all that information, okay? And then look funny, man. I keep looking this how the mud here look. I look blue. I don't know if it's me or it's the camera or it's the sun, but look weird. All right. Make sure you go to method.com. All right. We have those. Make sure you pick the right low capacity wheel for your truck. We have the Nitto tires. We already tested the Rich Grappler. They're not that noisy than this one, because this one's kind of a little bit of noisy. But when you have a lot of stuff here, when somebody asks me, those lights make noise? No, 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 no. No. I always say no, but it's because everything together make noise. I mean, I don't know how I can tell you, but these trucks are very chill on the cabin. I don't hear nothing. I just put volume on my radio and boom, I'm been going to Oklahoma, Missouri, Virginia, Tennessee, a lot of state, driving hours and hours, and they never bother me. I love them because they have a smooth riding. They're awesome for the trails also. Okay. This is a truck. It's a BDS suspension, 6.5 inches lift kit with with FOX shocks, skid plates, and everything that I throw in that truck. We have a 38 inches, 13 and a half, 17 tires from Nitto. I get excited. Guys, make sure you follow my channel. My name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4. If you like this type of videos, I like to just talk, be on the camera, talk to you. Probably I'm too close to you, but well, this is how I like. I don't want to put a tripod and start talking on the tripod. No, I like to just walk and everything. Like if we are here together and you've been asking me about the stuff and everything, like how I do on the shows, you know, this is what I do. Follow the channel, support the community. My name is Carlos from Inserte 4x4. See you in the next video.